welcome back to yet another video. Today is Thursday, the 15th of August. Yeah, the time is 3:20. Hey, I'm working night shift. I'm working 6 night this week. Tomorrow is the 16th of August, the day of the big event in Gqeberha, Jason Lake. Yes, I was listening to Uzonke just to prepare my mood for tomorrow. So yeah guys, I'm here at Kinako Mall. This is a shop, right? I want to buy a cheapest kimchi. I don't have kimchi for tomorrow. I want to buy a cheapest kimchi because wow, imali aiko guys, imali aiko. My name is Ambeso Mehlwana. I go by the name of Nolu_Mehlwana on TikTok, Nolu_Mehlwana on Instagram. So to my returning subbies, thank you guys very much for coming back. Thank you very much for supporting your girl. And then to the new subbies, please guys, grab a chair, take a seat and join others, because you know what, kusizobalite apha kule channel. So yeah guys, I'm gonna show you the outfit of the day, then rushing inside to buy this kimchi. So bye for now. I love you guys. I want to open this vlog today so that tomorrow Sisayo City Villa. It has Uzonke guys. Kubana ngamthandi Uzonke. Yeah guys, let's go inside. Bye. Okay guys, let's quickly do in OOTD. I bought this cap from Shein, this t-shirt from Fushini, and then this these pants from Fushini, and then these mbadadas I bought them standing at Durban last year. So yeah guys, let's quickly go inside and buy like kimchi. Guys, it's late, I'm going to work. Jason Lake,
Wind is blowing through my hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night tonight. It's now or never.
hi guys, we got the kimchi. We got the kimchi. Now I am rushing back home. Because I'm working tonight. I am working tonight. Diamba nesi stranger ke. Ipe Iza. Ipe, say hi. Yeah, yes, girl, welcome. Okay guys, see you tomorrow because I am rushing to it now. I am not working night shift, so tomorrow I'm gonna be there. You see the lake at night. It's beautiful guys. Look at that. Look at this. It's so beautiful. Just on a lake. Jay's on a lake. We're gonna be there. We're gonna be there. Hi guys. Hi. I hope you're still good. Anyway, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to our channel, because you know what, this channel is nothing without you. So I hope you're still good. I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay guys, today it's Saturday, 16th of August, the day of the event. The time now is 10 o'clock. I just woke up. I slept at 6:30 in the morning. So as I told you that yesterday, I am working night shift. So now I'm gonna take a shower and get ready to go to stadium, because our plan is to be there at 12 o'clock. So that's of kinds of money that we right to plan, because so yeah guys, stick with me, because show live yo guys. Hi guys. Hi. The time now is 11:45. I'm on my way to stadium. So guys, I'm gonna show you my OOTD when I get there. So asambeni asiyabukela nuzonke elamculo mina. When you smile, when you dance, when you look into my eyes, I'm not so cheeky, zendo, ngalamtolomino. Okay, guys. Sanbonani Stadium, ne? Please stick with me. Stick with me. I'm gonna show you everything, every performance, because the lineup, darling. Lineup is Abo Simple Dana, Abo Vusinova, Abo Tandisomazwai, Abo Natimangai, Abo Zonke Tigana. Ne? So guys, please stick with me. Bye for now. So yeah guys, I'm at Spar now. I want to buy drink, appetizer drink, and some snack, biltong, and Drip check. Kuba, hi Kuba. Awusa makeup hanga Kuba. Kuba, say hi to my vlog. Kuba, say hi. Say hi vlog. Hi vlog. Yes. Unjani? Ubona ku makeup la? Uzenzile? Hayi lady lo mntana. Hayi lady. Kuba. Bye Kuba. Siyawakha kaloku kuvaliwe indlela sisi. Ima kuba sukwahlika ba? Bye bye. Sizodroshwa ngoba basendlini ke apha. Semnandi. Say hi to my. Sabona ngo past 12 ebusuku. Jezo ne lake. Hi, welcome back to my vlog. In my voice, guys, a bit lily. Okay. At the time now is 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock in the morning. So I just come from a show, and then I'm gonna sleep now because I'm working at 6 tomorrow. Early in the morning at 6 o'clock I must be at work. So guys, I just want to say angumbuyo ke lo ngumbuyo sibuyile ku-event. I am so disappointed about the event, guys. I am so disappointed. Dibeke istamp, no more mna attendela event. Yo guys, yo aiko organized guys. Yo shame. Like ndifika apha endlini at 12 o'clock, but i-artist about six artists azikaperform because I don't know what is going on there. I don't know. Ideas. Yo. Abonati Mafikizolo. I-line-up was powerful. I-line-up was powerful. Kukho abantu from George, kukho abantu from Northwest abeze kule event, but guys, yo kuperforme only uZonke, uRingo, uBethusile, i-047, noVusi Nova, noThandiso Mazwai, aboNathi, aboMafikizolo, abo Kevin Momo, abo Tuxin, abo Amifako, party at 12 o'clock in the morning. Yoga guys, never again. Okay guys, let me sleep in peace. Let me sleep. Uvasa ubususu makeup atuzovasa powers zawuvasa kusasa. So good night guys, good night. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Please make sure that you are subscribed and this channel. Okay, bye guys, good night. uba ndiyaphi. Kuthiwe apha, wake up and get ready. Sihambe. So I don't know uba ndiyaphi na, ndiyahamba ke nam. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the feed of the day, guys. I am gonna show you the feed of the day. So guys, yeah, let's go. I don't even wear makeup today because it's hot. No edges, no nothing, darling. So guys, yeah, bye for now.
We are test driving. Huh?